step है, फिर आपसे ये फिल्म शुरू होता है, उसके बाद it's more about वो जो relation है, I don't know how to say, वो कैसे आगे बढ़ता है, or who it affects, families and people जो हमारे आसपास है, how that affects us. And also one of the large morals of the story is अगर एक man ये कर सकते है, woman क्यों नहीं कर सकती? Why is it looked down upon? Why is it that if a woman says that she has a one night stand, that people might call her names, or she might say, "Oh, wo aisi hai." That type of talk. Which I think in 2016 there are a lot of young women, maybe in India and also abroad, everywhere. I think this happens. ऐसी situations भी होते हैं that you might have a one night stand with somebody, but then you say, oh, I really want to get to know that person, and then you see them again, and then it's not a one night stand anymore, and it blossoms into something different. Sometimes the power of physical attraction takes over our mind, body, and soul, and we do things that we don't necessarily think about the repercussions of. But ऐसा भी होता है that one night stand के बाद relationship is formed. In this case, a relationship is not formed.
ये मैं सोचती हूँ ऐसा कि जब आप किसी के साथ फिजिकली इन्वॉल्व हैं कि आप इमोशनली उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो सकते. But when it comes to, and I'm going to say that explicitly on radio, when it comes to kissing, कुछ हो जाता है बॉस.
Women के लिए, I think girls and women के लिए थोड़ा सा difficult होता है, क्योंकि ये जो act है, this act of two people being attracted to each other, and जो भी होता है, but
I like it how you said it. जो भी होता है, आपको तो पता ही है जो.
वो जो emotions होते हैं, I think women in general are more emotional and they get attached usually. But I think for guys, they function a little bit different. The two worlds are very separated. One half of the body doesn't talk to the other half of the body. They're two separate human beings.
Okay. Yes.
So in that way, they're not as attached.
अगर आपने डिसाइड किया, I mean, वो एक अनसेट चीज होती है कि आपने डिसाइड किया कि बॉस रात गई बात गई. सिंपल सी बात है. I'm being very brutal and blatant about it, but it's simple, But see, now tomorrow अगर मैं genuinely किसी को पसंद करता हूँ, then I would like to date her. But अगर बात वहां तक गई नहीं, तो then why are you hounding me and ruining my life? You should not do that.
कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि one night stand हो गया, and then उसके बाद में they want a two night stand. But they don't want any strings attached either.
Correct.
And then it just goes on to
correct,
4 and 5.
Correct.
जब ये multiple times होता है, and you're not spending time forming a bond, then psychologically becomes very difficult, not only for the guy, but also for the woman.
Yeah.
Because वो जो self-worth of feeling, I think it happens more with women, that we start feeling, oh, he's using me, but I still really like him, I think he's so cute, and I want to be with him. But at some point you have to realize that if you are that woman that only wants to head down that direction, then great, perfect.
Yeah.
But if you're a girl that is a little bit sensitive, then it's a difficult होगा.
But it was an emotionally draining film, यानी कि I know अब तक हम trailers में सिर्फ we've seen the one night stand and all the beautiful shots on the beach and all that, but trust me, जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आप समझ जाओगे कि मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ. It was draining for her as well.
जितने सारे listeners सुन रहे हैं, अगर आपको if I have to ask you a question के audience जो जाना चाहे, कौन से combinations में जा सकती है? Girlfriend boyfriend can go together and watch this film. Papa mummy, is it going to be awkward? Will I have to suddenly look at the stars?
अगर देखो, अगर आप broad minded हो, and you have to understand that हम we live in a time जहाँ ये सब होता है, तो I don't think कि people need to be awkward, because हमने कोई cheap गंदी हरकतें वाली फिल्म तो बनाई नहीं है. ये ड्रामा है, एंड आई थिंक काफी लोग इससे सहमत रहेंगे, बिकॉज ऐसा होता है. ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग ने मेक बिलीव बनाया है. व्हाट वी आर शोइंग इज अ स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ.
वीकडे नाइट्स को सनी क्या करती हैं नॉर्मली ऑन अ नॉर्मल वीकडे नाइट? Standing, she's sitting, she's chilling, she's reading.
अगर night off होता है, then I catch up on ये जो मेरे favorite TV shows हैं, I watch those.
Tony, what is that one thing that you cannot stand in this world जिसमें हम रह रहे हैं?
One thing I can't stand, जब लोग ऐसे कचरा जमीन पे फेंकते हैं. That drives me bonkers.
Is that the same thing that you can't stand?
No, I hate frustrated social media trolls and haters who are sitting in some corner on their laptops and just
They're like,
bitching the hell out of everyone, you know.
Yeah, they must be really cheap thrills. They must be psychologically so
Yeah.
Vela and
Vela and Akela.
Vela and Akela.
Yeah, like Kela.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Have a
you.
Lovely, lovely time.
You
and
too.
Also,
Thank
wish
you.
you luck for the film.